All right, so he's gonna bleed. You're holding it?
Yep.
Ooh, that was air and foam into the Gatorade bottle. Let me know when you're on the floor.
I've been on the floor. I'm not moving my foot to you. Tell me.
You like being on the floor.
Oh, there's more room.
All right, and Scotty, when you get a chance, tighten these bolts on this wheel cylinder because it's kind of rocking.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But that's no big deal. All right, pump it.
That's a shit ton better. Oh my god.
And that was just a little bit of air.
All right, go ahead. Floor.
A little bit of bubble. Now we're foamy. Stay down. Okay. Go ahead and be more than a 2-pump chump. Be like a 10-pump chump.
Go ahead.
Cracking.
Floor.
I know you're a whore.
I know, right?
All right. Go ahead and pump it again, Daddy.
You ready?
Yeah. I just fucking called you Daddy. What the hell? Ooh, it's actually working the brakes. You holding it?
Holding. Go ahead.
Because I cannot turn the wheel. That's good. Okay, cracking it. Hide it.
Floor.
That's fast. All right, stay down. All right, I'm going to go to the left rear. Yeah. So go ahead and pump.
Where did you start?
Right rear. Duh.
Oh.
Scotty, it's right rear, left rear, right front, left front.
Left ear, right front, left front. I know.
Yes.
I just had a bit of a brain fart.
And if it's a right-hand drive car, then it's left rear, right rear.
Let me know when you're ready.
Okay, ready?
Go ahead.
Cracking. Oh my.
Floor.
That took a while. That's good. Let me tighten it up. Go.
God.
Better?
Oh, God, yes.
Is it so hard?
Go ahead.
Cracking.
Floor.
That was fast. All right, come up.
Now there's nothing. The brake pedal's gone.
Okay. Stop. Hold it down.
Holding.
And stay there.
Yep.
I'm going to go up and just put some fluid in it.
Okay.
And try not to spill this. I'm actually going to use the ladder. Because Scotty's like, you should use the ladder. Instead of going up and down. Yes, mother.
Yes. Do as you're told. I'm older than you.
I called you mother for a
And
reason. Because if I called you daddy, it'd be really weird.
And I'm prettier.
Well, that's not fucking hard.
You're beautiful just the way you are.
Thanks, Papito.